How to remove suggested on Messenger on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can remove the suggested people or the suggestions from Messenger on your iPhone. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first things first, what you want to do is simply make sure you have updated the Messenger app to the latest version. You could head over to your app store, in the search box type in Messenger, and if there is an update button right next to it, go ahead and tap on it in order to update it to the recent version. Once you've updated Messenger, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now what the issue over here generally is that, let's say that you want to remove suggestions. If I tap on the search button right over here, you'll be able to see your recent searches, and if you look at the bottom, you'll be able to see this section which says suggested. If you look, you can see all of these people on this list, and let's say that you're bothered and bugged by it and you want to learn how you can remove that. The process is fairly simple. So what you want to do is, after you log into Messenger, on the very top left hand side you can see your Facebook profile or your Messenger profile photo. So all you have to do is tap on your profile picture right over here, and you'll be able to see a bunch of different options such as switching to dark mode, account status, and active status, and so on. But what we will do is, over here we will actually scroll down and you'll find a section which says phone contacts right under notifications and sounds and above the story button. So go ahead and simply tap on phone contacts, or it could simply be written contacts if you're using it on your Android. So go ahead and tap on the phone contacts option. As soon as you do that, by default, what Messenger does is that they are going to extract all of their contacts from your phone contacts and show them on Messenger if they have linked their Messenger account with their phone number. So what you have to do is you have to simply turn off the upload contacts first of all. So right at the very top you can see that the contacts upload is currently on. So what I will do is simply tap on it, and first of all I will simply turn it off. At the bottom of the screen you can see it says allow Messenger to access your contacts. We're going to tap on the turn off button, which is at the bottom of the screen. Once you've turned off contacts, if you've previously also synced your contacts and they show up on Messenger feed, you can tap on the manage contacts option which you see, and once this page loads up, at the very bottom left you can see this little text which says delete all contacts. So all you have to do is simply tap on this button which says delete all contacts. As soon as you tap on it, you can see it says your imported contacts are being deleted. Now it may take some time depending upon an internet connection and the number of contacts, and if you come back and tap on the search box, you'll be able to see that the suggestions has actually been removed. And this is how you can remove suggested on Messenger on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.